The W3 Total Cache plugin is a powerful tool to help boost the load time speed of your WordPress site. But if you decide to uninstall the plugin, you might find it a bit tricky to get it completely removed. Well, this video will walk you through the steps of totally uninstalling the W3 Total Cache plugin. Now, we will be editing some files within your WordPress installation directory, so we're going to need access to either your cPanel control panel, which is what I'm going to be using, or you can do it through an FTP client, but there's a little bit more work involved there because you got to download the files, edit the files, re-upload the files, overwrite the existing files on your server, and so using the file manager within your cPanel control panel is a lot easier. Let's go ahead and come on into our dashboard area and go to our installed plugins. And you can see here that we've got the W3 Total Cache installed and activated. So if we go ahead and deactivate it, go through the normal process of deactivating and deleting an installed plugin just like anything else. Now then, if we go into our cPanel control panel and come on down to File Manager, in older versions of W3 Total Cache, you'd have to go in and clean out your .htaccess file and delete some code within your wp-config.php file. Well, in the current version of W3 Total Cache, that's all been taken care of for you upon deactivating and deleting that plugin from your plugin dashboard. But if we come into the wp-content directory, there are a couple of items that are hanging around here left over from the deletion of that W3 Total Cache plugin. That would be this directory and the cache directory. So let's go ahead and select both of those. And to do that, I just held down the control key as I was selecting the other directory, and then click on delete. And just open up the plugins directory just to make sure that W3 Total Cache is all gone, and it is. And that's it. We have successfully totally removed all remnants of the W3 Total Cache plugin. And that's going to bring us to the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and you have a great day.